2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. And show you what you learned, and then we're going to give you some music to practice with. We started off with swivels. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Now then she's going to swivel. I'm going to walk backwards. 8, 1, 2. You can do any of your patterns. Now I'm going to swivel and do a back cross. It goes 8, 1, 2. She's going to pop around. I'm going to slide under that armpit. Trid, pull, step. From here we're going to rotate, turn, turn, triple hit. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Triple step. You can do those whips all night long. We then showed you can travel, you can stay on the side of her. 3 and 4, 5 and 6. I then send her to the other side of me. 7 and 8. From here I go forward, she goes backwards. 1, 2. She goes behind me. Triple step. Triple step. That move looks like this. 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. We also showed you some technique. A little East Coast swing lesson has us doing our triples. Rock, step, triple step, rock, step. We can then do a side pass, rock, step, triple turn. Rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple turn, triple step. We use that energy in this pattern, and then she can also add swivels if she wants to. So I'll do it once with shuffles, once with swivels. Go 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Shuffle step. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. And 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. I've been DJ JohnPaul. This has been the lovely Kortnee. Thank you, Roundup Nightclub. That was your West Coast swing lesson. Grab a guy, grab a girl. Let's practice some West Coast swing.